Hello everybody. Now this is one data recovery case study from Seagate Samsung hard drive, and the model number is ST1000LM024. So this is one very common data recovery case study. Now we have connected this hard drive to DFL SRP data recovery hardware, and we power on the drive gets ready directly within the DFL SRP. Now let's watch the video and see how we use just simple clicks to get the lost data back. So this is data extraction icon. We simply click on it and set up one new project for this data recovery case. Next step. Now we use file extraction directly. So after we click OK, and the DFL DDP data recovery program will list all the lost partitions automatically. Now we can see here all the lost files are listed here. Double click and we can see root folder. And if you need root folder, then you can see all the subfolders and files within it. Now we can see it's expanding. That means there are a lot of data, or sometimes this is caused by bad sector. But don't worry, we just need to wait until the listing of the folders and subfolders and files completes. We just need to check the status. So maybe this part, it has some bad sectors, but it's okay. We can easily, when we find bad sectors within the folders or partitions, we can then right click and then we can use, now here are the folders. We can use partition image this partition, or mark data only sectors. We can image data only sectors so that we can save a lot of time to recover the lost data. We just need to recover the wanted files. No need to image or recover the blank sectors, the empty sectors. So for this kind of case, we can use the file extraction and to get the lost files in just the simple clicks. So only if you have the DFL DDP data recovery program, you can do the same as what we do in the video. Thank you for watching this video.